What's up, leopards? I'm going to show you how to do the assignment for today. This assignment's going to be all within Schoology, which is kind of new. And this is going to be a way, I've been doing a little research and I've found that I think this will make things easier. So just hang, hang in there and learn with me. So first, when you get to your Schoology page, you're just going to go to music. And there will be a new assignment right here on the right. You can also find it down below here if you want, but really this is the best place to find out what's happening in music as far as assignments go. So you click on this assignment and there's a little description: create a pentatonic ostinato in Chrome Music Lab, and then notate it. Write it down on the next slide. So right now there's nothing you can click on, but if you hit my document, then this, if you just wait a second, will allow you to participate. So here it is. You have your own copy of the slides. This skips the whole step of make a copy that we had to do on the last time. So anyway, first you're going to create your pentatonic ostinato. So this is actually a link, and if you click here, you can click on the link, and you're going to go in here and make something cool, right? So I've got it all set up, and it's pretty simple. You can, do whatever you want. Check it out. Cool. Right on. So once you're done with that, you're going to keep this tab open because you're going to need to look at it. And you go back here and you're going to notate it, okay? So what you do is you just go back and forth and you look. So right here, this is the first column, and it has a note that's 1, 2, 3 squares up. So I go back here, I take this. If you want to zoom in, you can totally zoom in, but that's a little too much. Yeah, you can kind of zoom in a little bit here. So I'm going to take this and make sure that when you drag, you've got these little arrows that go every direction. A lot of times you can get it and then you end up having it one direction, and then look, oops, oh no. So just make sure that when you drag, you have all the 4 arrows, okay, like a up and down and left and right. So I said it was 3 squares up, so I'm going to drag that here. Then I go back and I look. Oh, there's a rest. Okay, there's nothing in this square, so I need to put in a rest. It doesn't matter where you put the rest because there's no notes that can go in there. Then I got to go down on the bottom and then the next one. So I can call these do, re, like starting from the bottom, or I can call it 1, 2, or I can call it C. So this could be a C, that's a D, that's a E, C, D, E, G, A. But anyway, I'm just going to count that it's the bottom one and then the next one up. So I'm going to drag this here. I'm going to go bottom one, next one up, and then I just keep going, right? So rest, and then the top of the thing there. So boom, and then I had a rest here, okay? And then what's last? So I go boom, boom, and then, okay, so I'm just going to copy it, basically. All I'm doing is showing what I've done on here. And then once you're done, all you got to do is hit submit, and it's done. And then I get a notification, and I can say, great job, successful launch, your submission is on its way. And then I can look at it and grade it. So this is your assignment. If you want to undo it and try again, you can click this button here. But I don't think you need to do that. And I appreciate your time, and I appreciate your efforts. Great job, leopards. Ta-ta.